Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jump a Chevy Equinox. First, gather your safety gear, including gloves and eye protection. Position the working vehicle close to your Equinox, ensuring both engines are completely off and in park. Now, locate the battery in your Chevy Equinox, typically found under the hood, and identify the positive and negative terminals. Safety is key before proceeding. Now, let's connect the jumper cables. Take one red positive clamp and securely attach it to the positive terminal of your dead Equinox battery. Next, connect the other red clamp to the positive terminal of the working vehicle's battery. Then, attach one black negative clamp to the negative terminal of the good battery. Ensure all connections are firm and secure. For the final connection, attach the remaining black negative clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your dead Chevy Equinox, away from the battery. This creates a ground. Now, start the engine of the working vehicle and let it run for about 5 minutes. This allows some charge to transfer. After 5 minutes, try starting your Equinox. If it doesn't start immediately, wait a minute and try again. Once your Equinox starts, carefully disconnect the jumper cables in the reverse order of connection. Begin by removing the black negative clamp from your Equinox's metal surface, then the black from the good battery. Next, remove the red positive from the good battery, and finally, the red from your Equinox. Drive your car for at least 15 minutes to help recharge the battery. Also, check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.